Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Azri, and today on behalf of my team, I would like to present our research for ITELiC2024 with the numbers of project C036, Empowering Creativity, How 3D Printed Furniture Model Enhance Early Concept Development for Interior Architecture Students. For the introduction background, interior architecture students face challenge in creating furniture models due to the need for skilled craftsmen whose creativity and the time-consuming nature of traditional carpentry complicated the process. This is specifically difficult for students with spatial visualization issue. Additionally, the search for craftsmen limits the time teachers and educators have to provide detailed feedback within the limit class period. For the problem, complexity in finding skilled craftsmen, limited feedback time. The need to allocate and collaborate with skilled craftsmen pose significant challenges, particularly given with the limited ability of artisan capability of executing the precise design concept. The extensive time required to find and work with craftsmen limit the opportunity for the teacher or educator to provide true feedback within the constraint of class period. The objective: enhance design efficiency, improve teacher-student collaboration. By using the 3D printing, streamline the creation of furniture models, enabling faster production and iteration of design idea. With more time available due to the efficiency of the 3D printing, teachers can provide more comprehensive feedback and engage in deeper collaboration with the student. On the right side, you can see there are a few diagrams. On the traditional method, within the traditional method, the outcome of the accuracy final product can achieve 20 to 3%, yeah, compared to 3D printing, yeah. The accuracy or creativity can achieve 85 to 95% with more elaborate output, yeah. The originality unique research focus explore the impact of 3D printing machine furniture model improving the design development process for the interior architecture student. Alignment with trend ensure that the model align with the emerging trend, technology, form and style. Address the difficulties translating design concept into physical product. For the enhanced design accuracy, improve the accuracy design presentation as well as comprehensive feedback, allow for more detailed and comprehensive feedback from the teacher or educator. Therefore, for this research project, the methodology to assess the impact of innovation, a series of qualitative observation and survey were conducted on a small scale project with 30 students and 2 teachers. This survey evaluates student confidence, time spent designing and printing, creativity, as well as the accuracy of the 3D printing machine, creating the furniture model concept design. For the teacher educator, the survey assessed the amount of feedback provided to the student with the time frame specified for the using of the technology. Here are the few result of this survey. We can see on the left side on the traditional method and the right side on the using the 3D machine printed furniture model. Yeah, on the left side we can see that mostly agree and strongly agree. However, this is a negative result. Yes, I am facing difficulty in precise translating my abstract furniture. Yes, the student. The student also the current process of the searching and producing a finished product in time and is time consuming, as well as design into finished product for their project is encountering a challenging for the student. For the teacher, the challenge and time required for student producing furniture models hinder the comprehensive feedback between the teachers and the students. However, on the right side we can see the result are strongly disagree, which is means we can say that is a positive side. Yeah, the finished product is more the student can achieve less time consuming, and the encountering challenges are less. As well as for the teacher, more comprehensive of feedback can happen between the teacher and the student, as well as the 3D printed furniture model is based on their conceptual idea can be achieved. However, we can say that the both of the educator of the teacher result few of the student cannot achieve. Yeah. However, these are not between happen. We need to search what others contribute for this contribution of the result. Yeah. Overall, the student and the teachers or educator satisfied with the 3D printing technology for bringing the design of the student into life. Yeah, we all strongly agree and agreed. For description of the approach, yes, for teaching methodology interface, first the student begin with conceptualizing the furniture design using the digital software, incorporating elements, style, trend, technology relevant to the project. This digital platform allowed them to clearly calculate the ideas, maximize design creation time. Next, from the 3D visualization or 3D software, they transfer to the machine, 3D printing machine. Once the digital finalized, the student use 3D printing technology to create a physical model. This tangible model helps students understand proportions, spatial arrangement, and static style, providing a hands-on learning approach that aligns with current trend and technology. With the using a machine, the student can produce more accurate their initial idea. Yes, they can create more models for their study and so on, compared to the traditional method, which they are require more finance and less of accuracy on producing their final models. Model review and selection. Students receive detailed feedback from their peer of the instructor of the 3D printed model, assessing accuracy, functionality, as well as design coherence. The ease of making quick adjustment of replicating this ensures that the final model closely aligns with their design vision. Yes. As well, for design transformation, the 3D printing machine or the 3D printing models serve as concrete references, helping the student visualize and refine their concept more efficiently. This hands-on experience fosters innovation and more refined design. Evaluation. Teacher or educator provide feedback and assess transformation by comparing the initial concept with the 3D printed or the final models using a rubric. This evaluation ensures the student use the model as a foundation for unique and innovation design rather than merely replica. As stated before, the teacher or educator needs to be aware in depth in their assess because a few of the students just merely use maybe 100% from their 3D printing, which they get from the internet. We don't want to be the plagiarism happen. Maybe we can feedback from the student how they create, how they achieve their final products. Yeah. Here are a few example assessment form designed to measure the integration of 3D printed model with the studio project, such as effectively does the 3D printed model represent the initial design concept, accurately does the 3D printed model reflect the proportions, spatial arrangement, and detail of the digital design. Innovation and creativity in the design demonstrated through the 3D printed model, as well as well presented in 3D printed models. Yes. For the impact, there are few impact for the study in the effect of 3D printed model. Improving early design development for interior architecture student has numerous significant implications, such as time saving and efficiency, enhanced learning experience, improved teachers and student interaction. Yes, feedback. For the practicality, also there are few, such as enhanced access design resource, inclusivity and differentiated learning, as well as integration with the existing studio-based teaching methodology. The use of 3D printing gives students access to a greater selection of design resources and references that may not be easily accessed through the traditional method. This allows students to stay current in the industry trend and incorporate novels of ideas into their project. The research showed that 3D printing can seamlessly integrated with the existing studio-based teaching methodology. It valuable and feasible alternative for interior architecture education, as student teachers can easily adapt to using as additional tools within their creativity process. For their relevance, there are a few such as addressing current challenges, streamlining the learning process, improving teacher-student interaction, as well as application of 3D printing technology. The study acknowledged the difficulty students face in creating accurate furniture model for their project. It recognized that traditional methods struggle to keep up with new trend, technology, and design style. By addressing this issue, the study provides practical solutions for students and teachers or educators to enhance learning and overcome these challenges. Improving teachers-student interaction, the study highlights the importance of intensive feedback during the learning process. By streamlining the model creation, 3D printing technology allows teacher and educator more time to provide details, comments, and guidance to the students. For the application of 3D printing technology, the study demonstrated the relevance of the 3D printing technology in the interior architecture, exploring the potential application. The study helped the field of understanding or benefit the challenge in the integrating 3D printed education. For more information about the 3D printed furniture, yes, model in the education, can contact us with the following lines. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.